As he tucked his daughter in, she looked scared and asked him to check the closet. The father smiled and walked over, but as he pulled the closet door open, his face went numb. It was his daughter. She was crying, trembling. He completely froze in horror before snapping his head back to the bed. It was empty. He was panicked for a moment, but he shook it off. It must have just been his imagination. He calmed his daughter, tucked her in for real this time, and left the room. The dark room settled for a moment, but then the closet door slowly creaked open.
Sure ka ba na gusto ka? Like, really sure ka ba na gusto ka? Baka naman feeling mo lang yun. Kasi medyo sweet, medyo caring. Sure ka ba na gusto ka? Baka para sa'yo, 6 months na kayo walang label, pero siya, kaibigan ka lang naman niya talaga.